Hello, I'm Jenny. Today I'll be unboxing my Kawaii box. Okay. This is Kawaii Summer, June 2018. Stay cute all summer. And I list everything inside the box. Okay. So the first item I see is a headband. Let's see, it's Neko Ear soft headband. So the one in the pamphlet is white, but this one's pink. I would have preferred the white one because I don't like pink. Oh, also by the way, it looks like the box is also has a new design. I like this one better, except for the fact that it's pink. It has a bunch of different cute designs on it now. In the past, it used to be only hearts, and maybe a ribbon type thing. So next we have a squishy. This is Salmon Sushi Boy Squishy. It says it's supposed to smell cute as well. I'm not going to open it to see what the smell is because I don't think I'm going to keep it. Because it looks more like a mushroom to me than actual sushi. Next is a Kawaii hamster soft bag charm. It is soft. Looks like it's made of some sort of leather vinyl type thing. There's a keychain. Really cute, except of course it's in pink again. Wonder if there are variations in color. Next we have the Hello Kitty strawberry marshmallows. And this is, what is this? Precure grape gummies. Pretty Cure or Precure is a super popular Japanese magical girl anime series. And these gummies are shaped like its characters. Oops. Grape flavor. Next is looks like it might be Moonmin trolls. These lovely creatures are loved by many Japanese and will help you stay organized. It has 4 memo pads. I'm not sure if they're also sticky notes. It doesn't say. Next is this pen that looks like a straw. It's really cute. It seems everything in this box is pink. And there's also a cap on this to keep it from drying out. Really cute. And the last item is a rice mold. So create cute panda shaped rice balls. You can cut the ears, face and legs with the nori cutter. It's really cute. Okay. Oh, there's one more item. Oh, 2 more items actually. What is this? This is a cute bunny drink coaster. So it's a nice coaster, silicone. So I like that this is in blue. Definitely keep this. And last one is a Sumiko Gurashi deco stickers. So I'm guessing that means decoration stickers. Really cute. Okay, so that's it for this month of Kawaii box. Thank you. See you next week. Next month.